I'm developing this AI agent, which is very clearly an AI agent and will always be marketed. And any communication I tell with clients is you're talking with an AI agent. This is not a real person. Now, with its developers out of Toronto that I'm working with, we have given it a compassionate and empathetic voice, explained the types of situations it'll be dealing with, and instructed it only to gather information, never to give legal advice. Essentially, someone seeking legal advice says Bo or Melissa or Vince and their team will have to discuss that with you directly. I'm just here to gather information. Now, once from that phone call, we then get a transcript. From that transcript, we then can provide a summary. From that summary, now we can interact with that a little bit. And my goal with this is to create a number of different tiered agents. The first one will just collect conflict searches. One of the things I've researched and identified is that when people call looking for a lawyer, especially when they're in the chaos of going through a family law situation, they want to be heard and they don't want to be heard on the other end of a voicemail or an email. My theory is something. It doesn't necessarily have to be someone. They want to be heard. And so right now we use a virtual assistant, a live voice assistant for any new clients or emergencies. So that goes right to a person because I know how important that is to our customers. The goal is to eventually replace that with an AI agent. So my goal is that with three lawyers, I can serve what previously it would have taken 300 lawyers to serve.